you want to learn Italian simply in less than a month? So, this course is created for you. Welcome to Speak Italian with Confidence. So, you can speak a natural, fluent Italian without being afraid of making mistakes. Una lingua diversa e una visione diversa del mondo. It's a famous Italian saying, which means that a different language is a different view of the world. So, let me take you to this world. Perhaps you have already met me from my YouTube channel or Facebook, but if you don't know me, let me introduce myself quickly. My name is Ali Hassan, called Angela. I'm a professional Italian language teacher, translator, and YouTuber. I've been working with Italians in the business field for 2 years. So don't worry, learning Italian will be a piece of cake. I've been teaching Italian from my YouTube channel and Facebook for 2 years, and more than 50,000 followers follow me. In this course, I'll guide you on the steps that make you ensure that you benefit from the course as much as possible. The course is designed to help you to speak about a wide variety of topics that come in the conversation using a step-by-step method. This course includes different topics in the daily life of Italians, example talks which improve your level in Italian, a lot of worksheets, and online free activities to get a lot of practice. With only $75, you can get a complete course for level A1 that helps you speak a foreign language and with confidence. You can also upload videos with native speakers talking to me to have a prestigious accent. Upload them from my exclusive YouTube channel for free. More than 30 students enrolled in the course in less than a month since its launch date, and it has received 4.4 star rating, and this is a very high evaluation and testifies that our course is really professional. Every month there are updates for the course to keep abreast of developments, in addition to continuous offers and the 30-day money-back guarantee. The whole world depends on the online course at the present time. So, what prevents you from learning a new language while you are at home? What are you waiting for? You have come to the right place. So join us now on Udemy and speak Italian with confidence.